Good afternoon, sir. I'm activated, sir.
What time it is?
Right now is 14:42 p.m., sir.
What day it is?
Today is Tuesday, sir.
What is Indonesia?
Indonesia, listen, Indonesia, officially the Republic of Indonesia, is a country in Southeast Asia and Oceania between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It consists of over 17,000 islands, including Sumatra, Sulawesi, Java, and parts of Borneo and New Guinea. Indonesia is the world's largest island country and the 14th largest country by area, at 1,904,569 square kilometers, 735,358 square miles.
Search Indonesia.
Searching Indonesia on Google.
Where is Indonesia?
Looking for Indonesia on Google Maps.
Open Telegram.
Okay, opening Telegram.
Close Telegram.
Closing Telegram and its child process.
Play music.
Playing music playlist on YouTube.
Stop program.
Stopping the program. Goodbye, sir.